Searching for significant cutting power? Whether you're into DIY, building, or demolition, the correct reciprocating saw makes all the difference. We're unveiling the top 5 best reciprocating saws available right now in this countdown, arranged by value, performance, and features. You can choose the one that best fits your needs by watching the complete list. Together, let's delve in and identify the ideal instrument for the task. Item number 5. The DEWALT reciprocating saw delivers powerful performance with a 12-amp corded motor and 1100 watts of cutting strength. It operates at speeds up to 2,900 strokes per minute with a 1 1/8 inch stroke length, ensuring fast and efficient cuts. The 4-position blade clamp offers flush cutting versatility, while the keyless lever action system allows quick blade changes. A variable speed trigger gives you full control over each cut. Built for heavy-duty use, this saw is perfect for wood, demolition, and professional applications. Item number 4. The Greenworks 24-volt brushless reciprocating saw offers powerful, cordless performance with up to 3,000 strokes per minute and a 1-inch stroke length. It features a tool-free blade change system, making swaps quick and easy. Compact and lightweight, this saw is ideal for tight spaces and includes an LED work light for low-light conditions. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip. Powered by a 24-volt lithium-ion battery, it delivers 20% more power and 35% longer runtime, perfect for wood cutting, DIY projects, and on-the-go convenience. Item number 3. The CRAFTSMAN 7.5-amp reciprocating saw delivers high performance with a powerful motor and a 1 1/8 inch stroke length for fast, efficient cutting. Its variable speed trigger ranges from 0 to 3,200 RPM, giving you full control across different materials. The tool-free blade release system allows for quick and easy blade changes, while the overmolded handle offers enhanced comfort during extended use. Operating on 127 volts, this saw includes a 24-tooth high-speed steel blade, making it perfect for cutting wood and heavy-duty applications. Item number 2. The BLACK+DECKER 20-volt cordless reciprocating saw is designed for convenience and control. With speeds up to 4,500 RPM and a variable speed trigger, it delivers precise cutting on wood and other materials. The tool-free blade change system ensures quick and hassle-free blade swaps. A pivoting shoe adds stability during cutting, while the built-in brake enhances safety. Powered by a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, it's ideal for DIY projects and home use. Compact, lightweight, and easy to handle, it's built for performance and comfort. Item number 1. The DEWALT 20-volt cordless reciprocating saw delivers power and precision with a 1 1/8 inch stroke length and up to 3,000 strokes per minute. Its 4-position blade clamp allows for flush cutting and easy blade changes without tools. A pivoting adjustable shoe extends blade life and provides better depth control. The variable speed trigger gives added control for versatile cutting. Featuring a brushless motor and a rubber comfort grip, this saw offers durability, efficiency, and ease, perfect for wood cutting and demanding job site tasks. Which of these reciprocating saws is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.